Next step of agriculture practices is called irrigation. Meaning of irrigation is to give water or supply of water to the plants. Water is necessary for the plant for photosynthesis, second to maintain temperature and protect it from frost and hot air currents. So it's necessary to supply water, otherwise plants will start to dry. Now what are the sources of irrigation? Sources of irrigation, first is the rain, then wells, tube wells, pond, lake, river, dam and canals. Traditional method of irrigation, that's moat, you can see in the picture, chain pump, dhekli, rahat, etc. And right now at most of the places modern methods are used that include sprinkler water system and drip irrigation or drip system. In sprinkler system, a long pipe like structure is there, and at the top of that pipe a nozzle is present. As there is a pressure of water, that nozzle start to rotate and water started to come out in the form of sprinkle. So it will spread in all the direction and a large area will get water. So overall it will save water. Second modern method is called drip irrigation, in which there is a network of pipeline is there, and after a particular distance a small hole is present in the pipeline, so water start to come out drop by drop. So these two techniques will save water and water will go to the root. Next step is called protection from weeds. First, what do you mean by weeds? Weeds are unwanted plant that are grown with the desired plant, जो अपने आप से grow हो जाते हैं, but we don't want these weeds क्योंकि इनसे हमें कोई benefit नहीं होता है. But this is harmful for the desired plants because they are also taking space. They are also taking space, nutrients from the soil. Now, how to remove these weeds? Weeds can be removed manually. First, at the time of plowing, these can be removed manually. Second, after plowing also, when desired plant has started to grow, at that time these can be removed manually with the help of khurpi or some other tool. And second, this can be removed by using some chemicals. These chemicals are called weedicides. For example, 2,4-D. When we sprinkle these weedicides, they will kill the weeds, but desired plants, they are not getting any harm. Next step is called harvesting of crop. हार्वेस्टिंग का मतलब होता है when the seeds are getting mature, जब वो पक जाते हैं, at the time to cut it out. So seeds को separate करना plant से या पूरे plant को ground से remove कर देना. This process is called harvesting. This can be done with the help of a sickle, means manually this can be done, or this can be done with the help of a machine called harvester. हार्वेस्टिंग के बाद सीड्स को चाफ से सेपरेट करना होता है. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड थ्रेशिंग. थ्रेशिंग कैन बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ मशीन कॉल्ड थ्रेशर, या फिर ट्रेडिशनल मेथड होते थे लाइक टू बीट दीज प्लांट्स ऑन द हार्ड सरफेस, or animals they used to move on the plants, so seeds are going to separate from the chaff. But nowadays we are having these machines to do this process. Harvesting and threshing, both processes can be done by a single machine.